We're going to be doing non-farm payroll for working around your job. And a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you who have not seen me before, my name is Langers and I am the coffee obsessed scruffy trader. And what I've been doing with this series of videos is showing you how you can trade around your job. Now this particular series started off trading early morning before you go to work, and next week we'll probably do a little bit where we're trading after work. So it'll be, say, after 6 o'clock at night when most people are at home. But also, once a month, there is a non-farm payroll. And that normally occurs around lunchtime. Now, you only need a few minutes with it. So again, you can kind of trade it around your job. So that's kind of what we're going to be looking at today. It's due to be announced shortly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the screens over and we'll have a little look. Now, we are still on the same small account. I did a video earlier on showing you about fibs, and I just used this account for the example, and I pulled out an extra £4. So it's just adding to the pot. And today we will be back onto cable. So let's see, we were 61p on cable, which is here. So this would have been 64p. Right. It's just to do with margin requirements, guys. It's the amount of money you have in the account. Now at the minute we've got not enough. We've got 572. But what it means is I can open borderline 2 positions at 64p if I so wish. So that's what I'll do. I'll look to get 2 positions at 64p and we'll see if we can drag some money out of this. But like I say, the announcement's not for a few minutes yet, so I'll come back to you when it's time to go to market.
Well, we're waiting.
Okay guys, we're back. Announcement's going to be shortly, so I'm just going to leave the camera running. As you can see, if I put my mouse on there, it is Friday, November the 5th. Okay, so I'll come back to you when it's all over. All right, so I'll have to concentrate a little bit. Okay guys, that's me stopped out. Been quite a productive afternoon. Non-farm was, well, let's just call it a damp squid, shall we? Didn't really do a great deal. That is there, that candle. But what it showed me was slam down, the level held, the bodies at the top telling me that there's going to be pressure to the upside. All right, and you can see that clearly there on this 5-minute candle, just there. All right. And then, sure enough, there's the move to the upside, and I've had a little bit of scale out and trailed a stop up, and it's just come back and taken me out. Okay, and why? Because I've purposely tightened it up because it's getting to the end of the night. So what have we done today? Well, just working the volatility of the Friday afternoon after the non-farm. Just get it in, get it out, get it in, get it out. It's done all right. Now, there is another video today where I did a little position on the DAX that was showing you how fibs work. We got £4 out of that again. It was just to add into this pot. But this particular session, as you can see, 45 quid. You know, just grinding away with pennies. So to the sheet, we'll pull that up. There you go. That's kind of what we've done. This lot here was up today, which is the 5th. I would say we've completed the task quite well. So that's definitely yes. And we were back to good old cable. There we go. I'll fill the rest of that in later. Now, what the sheet is, what you're looking at, if you haven't seen it before, is just compounding, and it helps you keep track of what you're doing. Now, we've got lots and lots of pips out of this today, just spitting the pips out. It's increased our 500 balance by 23.6. So we've only been doing this week, so 5 days. 23.6 growth on the balance. I think that's pretty good. Now, next week, I'm going to continue this working round the day job thing. And instead of being early morning next week, I'm going to trade after hours. In other words, I'll start at 6 in the evening. And, well, we'll see how it goes for maybe a couple of hours each night. But trading after work is a lot different than trading before work. But this, just another part of the adventure. So if you're stuck, by all means contact me. You'll find all my contact details in the description below. If you're new to this and you're looking for a good broker, there is BlackBull with, at the moment in time, 500 to 1 leverage, so it can stretch your pennies out. And there is also the prop fund that I work with, which is the 5%ers, and if you check the videos, you'll see my live statements. You know, there's not many traders that'll be as transparent as I am. They're live, and you can see exactly how much you can earn, and if you're interested in trying their prop fund, you'll get 5% off using the link below. So, there we go, guys. It's been a good week. Have yourselves a great weekend. Trade well. Keep your risk managed. But above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.